Boom pow! Greetings, friends. Today we're drinking PBR and we're going to review the Petrified Fish Victor. Came from China in this flimsy packaging. No damage to the box though. That's cool. Oh, it comes with extras. That is sweet. Petrified Fish cleaning cloth. Extra screws. When have you ever bought a $45 budget blade that came with extras like that? You have not. At least I have not. It's heavy. Yeah, it feels good. Oh, it came out smooth like butter. Oh, and came back just the same. Pew. That is smooth. Right away. Right away. 10 seconds in the hand. I already know it was worth 45 bucks. Definitely. Great budget blade. K110 steel. Stainless steel pocket clip. It's thick. It feels sturdy. Oh, I like it. Oh, it's sturdy. No play in the joint. It feels thin in the hand, but I like it because I got skinny hands. But wow, geez, $45 budget blade, you can't go wrong with this one. Now, to compare, it's the Gerber Gator, the Ontario Rat 1. So, similar size and feel. But geez, I almost like this Petrified Fish better than these ones, and I've been carrying them forever. You know, if you're thinking about going for it and you don't know because it's made in China, I feel the same way as you do, but don't even hesitate. Well, once in a while you find a great product made in China, good quality control, like those WowTac flashlights, same thing. Sometimes you just find great value and quality, and this is a time I'm gonna buy another one. Matter of fact, I gotta go. I'm gonna buy one right now on Amazon. See ya. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you.